Good if you will.
This looks like this great game. Alex is watching you guys. So what the night vision goggles? Have you
Good if you will.
Hello and welcome to this video. So my name is Ella and I've been making these videos just for fun, for my own editing practice. And also it's just fun to like look back and see what I was doing at these certain times in my life. So I'm just gonna film a little bit of a day in the life, or week in the life actually. I always forget to talk to the camera, but I just cooked dinner. It looks so good. I just did like a udon noodle, shiitake mushroom, spinach, tofu. So I think I'm just gonna sit here and watch some YouTube. I need to do a bit of cleaning. And then I just finished If I Had Your Face by Frances Cha. It's 5 stars. It was really good. The characters were awesome. The setting was really interesting. Loved how all the characters intertwined, and her writing was, I really liked her writing. I found it very easy to read and it was quick to read because there were little blurbs basically. I got a call from the library saying I had a book on hold. Let me show you. At first I wasn't gonna go get it, and then when I saw what book it was, I was like, I need to go get this right now. I put this on hold thinking I'd get it in a couple months. Like, this has clearly not been read. Like, this is a brand new copy. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna read this, and then I actually have a ton of books right now. I gave in and I bought Divine Rivals. I kept seeing it in like all the YouTubers videos, but I didn't really think much of it. And then when I finally read the description, I was like, how have I not read this before? This sounds like the perfect book for me. I borrowed this from my friend, also very excited. And then I have Before the Coffee Gets Cold, I just got from Value Village. Mother Thing, I took out of the library. Minor Feelings, I took out of the library. I got The Guest and Clara and the Sun from Value Village. It's Wednesday. I'm talking to myself in the work bathroom. But we just went to the LCBO because we had to do a shoot, and then we went for ramen and got canapés on our walk home. It was great. Are we gonna get back to work? Good morning. It's Thursday morning. I'm just walking to the streetcar. Yesterday we went to my parents' house and had delicious tuna casserole and carrot cake for Luke's birthday, and we watched an episode of Survivor, which was really fun. Now I am back at my apartment on the way to work. I think today's gonna be pretty chill. I have a lot of editing to do, which is like my main job, so that's fine. And then I have volleyball tonight, but I'll try and show you a bit more of my day. It's the end of the day now. I'm just coming back from my volleyball league. We lost, but it was really close, and we won. Or sorry, we lost 2-1, so not too bad. And so it's really fun. I'm starving, so hopefully Luke has a yummy meal for me. Friday morning. This weekend's Easter weekend, so I'm gonna go home. Well, I'm going to Luke's Easter tonight and then going to my Easter tomorrow. I have Monday off and I really want to go on a hike, so hopefully that's what's gonna go on. Is the streetcar there yet? Nope. I've been reading. Let me see if I can put this down. Oh, there it is. I've been reading Minor Feelings. I really like it so far, but it's quite sad.
Next stop, Glendale Avenue, St. Joseph's Health Center.
What a morning it has been. It's like 1:30. I got up, had some breakfast. My dad and I went to a bakery, like an Italian bakery, to pick up the lasagna and some bread for Easter dinner tonight, because we're hosting Easter dinner with all of my family. Had a delicious bun. It was so good. And then came back, dropped that off. Then I had to go back out because I bought a red Patagonia vest from someone on Facebook. Had to go grab that. She took forever to come out of the house, so I was like sitting there for a bit wondering if she ghosted me, but she seemed really nice over text, so I didn't think she would. Thank God she didn't. Then I had to stop and get chocolate bunnies for our cousins, part of the tradition. And then I also stopped to get some stupid expensive just like paper napkins, but look how cute these are. So cute. Anyways, I'm back home now. I'm gonna go see what needs to be done and help out with all that. Oh, and hopefully go on a walk because it's like beautiful outside. It's like 8 degrees. I was driving with my window down and my arm out the window and the overhead window open as well. So it feels springy, that's for sure. It's Easter dinner. Here's our outfits. So cute, so cute. I need to take my watch off because I'm gotta go to the office right now.
Got my pink hair going on.
Yeah, let's see.
Get it back.
Look at that lash, you can see it when it's...
Yeah, let me put lash on her. It's crazy.
morning. It's 9 o'clock and I feel like I didn't really film. Actually, I didn't film anything yesterday. There was just a lot going on. I slept at home and then super early in the morning I came back to the apartment because Luke's brother had stayed over. And then when I got here, the whole family was here. So that was cute, but I was like, oh. We went for brunch. We had these crepes at this new crepe place that just opened that was really good. And then we went on a nice long walk in the park. And then Luke and I did our like Sunday reset. I did a workout which ended up being way longer than I thought. Then I'm gonna go on a medium run today to train for my race that I have next week. I'm just gonna do like 8 kilometers. Yeah, let's see. I'll try and film some more today. Great day for a run. I'm running the High Park Spring runoff on Sunday, which is only 8 kilometers, but it's super hilly. So I just wanted to get out and try it. So I'm gonna run it today and just see what my time is about and like check where the tricky parts are and where I need to push more and where I need to reserve and all that fun stuff. I don't really want to be doing it right now, to be honest, but Luke said that I had to. And I know I do, and I know I'm gonna like it once I do it. And it's so nice outside, why would I not? The last half a kilometer of this route is straight uphill. Almost done. I'm on my way back. I recognize the fact that this hat looks a little silly, but I don't really care. I have vitamin water, 0 sugar, and I'm listening to Brittany Broski's The Broski Report, the episode that's called I'm Sorry, Timothy Chalamet.